gusto niyo po lumambot ang slime niya. Ano po kasi, di po siya malambot. Nabili ko po, di po malambot. O wala akong kadikit-dikit. Walang dikit. Kaya po, may naisip po ako gawin para hindi, para maging ano po siya. Para maging madikit. Ito po, slime. Ilalagay natin dyan. This one, hintayin niyo lang po ako. Dalawang.
I had lots of fun. LOL felt really nice being hit. My favorite part was probably having all the fruits to switch through. Oh, and customizing the avatar, which I'm really proud of. Yeah, I mean, I could really tell like, I really had a fun time with that one. I don't think I played that much because I'm having videos. Maybe like 2 hours. I kind of grinded on Dragon Town. I tried copying your look, but that was miserable. The proof moves off backwards. You didn't realize that. The fifth day person already got chosen, and then Fifth of Ray 678. He's a mod of watching Discord, which is 590,000 members. Okay. I already began talking to them and explained what went down, obviously. Alright, now we're ready to give them the login info, new login info, and I'm gonna just drop it right here. As you can tell by the blurred password, it's very long password, and trust me, at the end of the video, I will show you what they were. It's not simply as your password, it's just, I'm going to show you guys towards the end of the video what these passwords
Diba kunyari po yung nabili niyo po, hindi malakit. Tapos po, try niyo po hanggang ito na po, okay na po. Tapos na po. Pag sinabi ko kung okay na, okay na po. Tapos sobra.
All we care about is block. First thing I noticed, we still don't have B4, sadly. We also have 9,544 fragments. I'm pretty sure that's like the same thing as before. Same stats, same swords, guns. Oh wait, no, we got the hollow set. What am I talking about? My birth blade,
Or gagawin po
370
itong how
It's
to
to
explain.
417,
Kasi
okay.
nagawa
Dragon
niyo
Tail is
po.
not yet max. I'm starting to get a little bit worried because we only have one day left after this. But don't forget, because we're going to give it away this account, regardless of what happens. Mirror Fractal. Okay, and Azure Embers. So that was from the kitchen Triton. We got this from Killing Okay, I'm pretty sure. And then for fruits, we got Gravity, Buddha, Spider. I think this is the safest than before. How about our other? 223 of the Leopard, 291 of Dragon, 116 of Spirit,
So hanggang dito na lang po.
57 of Venom, 200 of T-Rex. Oh,